Hey guys, it's Paul with TextBed. I'm here with my family, Norman, and everyone else. Today we're hiking Bottom Creek Gorge in Shawsville, Virginia, I think it is. It's a 4-mile hike to the tallest waterfall in Virginia, and it's also the second highest elevation-wise. So we'll take you guys along for the ride. Also, watch our behind the hike video, which I'll put the link in the description. And if you want to do this hike, check out the map and go to the website. Hey guys, we're still making our way there. It's not too bad of a hike. It's a little up and downs, and we're just following the creek to the waterfall. Hoping you guys enjoying. Just to let you know, we have a new website, www.textbed.com. And if you're interested in any of our hikes or travel guides or anything, go to our website, and we have detailed maps, detailed descriptions, and stories of each of our hikes, each of our locations. So check that out. And if you're liking this, don't forget to subscribe and like. We're cutting our way down to the stream on a side path. We're gonna check it out. I just busted my toe. It's pretty. We got a little bridge here that we gotta go under.
What is that? The jump on the bridge, like that was safe.
Here we are. After a long 2-mile hike, steep hike, if I mention, we are about there. If I remember correctly, we'll get to a bench, and you can see it across the valley. So we're almost there. We'll let you guys check it out. We made it. If you guys can see it behind us, there's a bug on the camera. You guys can see it. I think it's 200 feet. I'd love to be at the bottom of that, but we'll save that for another day, hiking down there. It goes up, it goes all the way up behind those trees up there. You can see it going up behind the trees too. About to make our way back. I guess there's some abandoned houses on the way back, so we're gonna check those out.